My family was slaughtered 300 years ago. They were offered a sacrifice, and I was kept to die. But I survived. I survived!
I am not scared of you, Ocheri. I am going to tell the prince, the princess, and everyone who cares to know about your true identity. Yes, that was a terrible act. But it wasn't our king, King Ugezu, who committed that crime against your family. Then why should he bear the consequences?
Your forefather did. They did this evil to us. They killed my entire family and they kept my body in the sacred earth as a vessel for their strength and protection. But I am free. I am free, Israel. I am free. And I promise I will kill one person from each home. One only day will I, Ochiri, the spirit, have peace.
Akoram, I didn't notice you were coming.
Ozochi, what are you doing here? Father has warned us never to come close to this hut.
Ogorom, this place gives me peace. And I can't help it.
Ozochi, Father does not want us to have anything to do with this place. It is not safe.
I know. But it feels like there is someone waiting in here to be set free. That's how it feels.
You need to be careful. Father wants to see you.
Tell Father I'll join him soon. Give me a moment.
No. He wants to see you now. Ozochi! Let's go!
Oh, Agorom.
Ozochi, let's go! Come!
Let's go see Father.
We must ensure that the festival of our ancestors is carried out with utmost sacredness and reverence. Our ancestors demand the best from us always, and nothing but the best.
Yes, Igwe. The chief priest has outlined the necessary rituals and offering. The prince will journey to the sacred river to collect the sacred items.
And he must provide 12 pieces of white kola nuts, leaves from the ancient Iroko tree, and the sacred salt from the ancient mines.
The purification must be carried out with utmost care. The prince and I will embark on fasting and meditation to cleanse our spirits for this ritual.
Greetings, Father.
Also, she, my son.
Greetings, extant elders.
Greetings, our friends.
You may be seated. We were just discussing about the festival and the preparations for it.
Yet you will set out on a journey, Prince Ozochi, to collect the sacred items. You will journey to the sacred river, the ancient Iroko tree, and the ancient mines.
I understand, Ono.
I have very huge confidence in you. Because you are the coming king of this land. And I need you to know that everything we are doing, all this ritual, is to prepare you for the task ahead.
I'll not fail, Father.
I trust you, son.
Thank you, Father.
Great prince of our kingdom, my only beloved brother,
The pride of Umaka Kingdom.
Agorom, what is it? Each time you taste me like this, I know you have a question to ask. Speak freely.
My prince, tell me, what did father and the elders said?
Agorom, you should know the elders always have something to say. But this time, it's the festival of the ancestors.
Oh, and what is your role in this?
You know, as the grand prince of this kingdom, it's my duty to retrieve the items for the rituals.
I do not envy you at all, brother. I am glad I am a woman. Most of these duties are not assigned to me just because I am a princess. So, I will just sit
relax and wait for the prince of my heart to come and steal my heart away someday.
I can't wait for you to meet him.
Oh, so Bella, tell me, has someone stolen your heart already?
I'll go room. Not yet. But I believe soon someone will steal my heart. I need to go and prepare. I have a journey to proceed tomorrow.
Where are you headed to?
My usual spot, the sacred place.
Brother, Father has warned us not to go close to that hut. It is not safe for you. It is not safe for me. It is not safe for anybody in this kingdom.
I'll go room. Don't be troubled. It's safe for me.
Brother, that hut is not safe. Ozochi!
I'm okay. Ozochi. Ozochi.
Izuna, that's your voice.
Yes, it is me.
You didn't tell me you were coming.
I invited him. You know, I do not like the way you sit here all alone, playing flute. You are the crown prince after all. You need to act like you own the world.
Agurum, thanks for your concern. But you should know I enjoy my own company. Izuna is my friend. Feel free to join me. Don't worry.
Ozochi.
It's safe for you.
Ozochi, what are you doing here that requires me coming in?
My good friend, I understand you're scared.
Yes, I am.
To some people, this place, it's not a safe place. For generations, no one has ever gone in there to know what is inside. But to me, it's a sacred place. And it gives me peace each time I sit here to play my flute. So my good friend, you have nothing to worry about. Come with me. Isuna, come with me.
Ozochi, I am. comfortable where I am standing. I mustn't walk into.
You worry too much. Come.
Mm.
Please, you can go with him.
Okay.
Come. You're a man.
Yes, I am just.
Please, take good care of him.
He's the one scared. And you're asking him to take good care of me. How will he do that? Come and sit here, my good friend.
Ozochi, I would rather stand here. Or better still, sit here.
Izuna, sit here.
Go with him. Just.
Yes, I
Don't
am.
be scared.
I am.
You won't get hurt.
Ozochi. Ozochi. Why do you like sitting here all alone? For me, I have never been comfortable coming close to this place, let alone coming into this place. Why?
You don't have to be scared. Just sit with me and enjoy the moment.
Ever since I started visiting the palace, I have never found it comfortable. There is something about this place that seems off. For me, I feel this bad energy. And
Izuna, you worry too much. Don't be scared.
Ozochi, you know that whenever I feel something is wrong, it is indeed wrong. Something is wrong with this place.
Izuna, do not be scared. Sit and enjoy the moment.
Ozochi, we should leave at once.
Izuna,
let us leave. I am not comfortable here. I am scared.
Izuna, sit.
Sit.
Let me entertain you. You don't have to worry, just sit and enjoy the moment.
I am concerned about you as a friend. Can we leave?
Sit, Izuna.
Elders in council, I called us to inform us that Prince Ozoshi and Izuna have embarked on the journey to retrieve the sacred items. They are expected to come back before nightfall so that the ritual can start. Onowu, Igwe, Ishi Okoro,
Igwe,
Ishi Nwosu.
Igwe.
3 of you are expected to be part of the ritual. Your presence is very crucial for the success of that ceremony. First of all, when they arrive, they are expected to go to the chief priest, who will perform some very minor ritual to prepare them for the main ceremony. They have to do that in the shrine before coming back to the palace. So I want us to prepare ourselves, because this night we are going to make that huge sacrifice to our ancestors to ensure the success and the prosperity of our kingdom. Thank you.
Mother,
Yes, my daughter.
can you tell me about the significance of the festival of the ancestors?
Ah, my dear daughter, it is a time-honored tradition that honors both the ancestors and the gods. It is the time we gather together as a community to appreciate the gods for all they have done for us and also ask for their continued guidance and protection. Yes,
And do you think Ozochi has succeeded in getting the necessary items needed for the
of
rituals?
course. I trust your brother. He is brave, smart, and determined. I know he can handle that perfectly. Yes, he may be a loner, but he has the heart of a king. Your brother is a lion. Trust him.
I know. He has always been like that.
Yes. I can't wait to see him become the king of this entire kingdom. Oh, may the gods be praised.
You say,
Hey.
likewise, mother. I know my brother would do great things.
Yes, you will.
Ozochi! Ozochi!
What are you doing here?
Ozochi. Mother says you should come and eat.
Go. I'll join you soon.
running late. As a crown prince, you are not supposed to keep your guests waiting. Let's go.
Agurum, I'll be with you soon.
Brother, please, let's go. We are running late already. What kept you so long?
Agurum, tell me, how do I look?
You look good. Just like the crown prince which you are.
Thank you, Agurum. And you look so extra carefully created by the gods.
Thank you, brother.
Shall we?
No. Ozochi,
Agurum.
you are the crown prince. So you need to lead by example. Punctuality is the key.
Thank you, Agurum. Let's go. Father is waiting.
All right. Are you leaving me behind? You want to leave the princess behind.
Today is indeed a very beautiful day in our land. This practice has just signaled the commencement of the festival. The festival of our ancestors that is expected to trigger fertility and the progress in our kingdom. By the time you get back to your various houses, it is expected that you are going to pick the blessing from here back to your various houses so that the whole kingdom can continue to progress. We are going to stand up to dance so that the spirit of the festival can be in all of us. Music, music.
Father!
Father!
Igwe! Father!
Father!
Lucy, what have you seen? What kind of tragedy has befallen us?
Your Highness, the vision is not clear. But the evil that has befallen our kingdom is amongst us.
Can you speak clearly, please? What are you talking about?
Your Majesty, I mean, the evil is not external. It is an internal. Someone that is living with us. And the person came to seek for vengeance.
Vengeance?
Yes.
What vengeance do you speak of? To the best of your knowledge, we are a peaceful people. How can it be said that 4 of our own are dead in a festival that is supposed to be a celebration?
Your Majesty, it is only the gods that knows the heart of man.
God, says Alusi, you want me. Says Alusi, you want me that we should stop this festival. That something was not right. I refuse to listen to you.
It is not your fault, Your Highness. Besides, things like this do happen. Your Highness, we all go through this together.
Your Highness, I will continue to commune with the gods. I will definitely find out who is behind the death of our people.
What is going on? Why am I smelling calamity? Why am I smelling deep-rooted evil?
Trying to process what happened at the festival. 1 minute, we were all celebrating. The next minute, darkness. People started falling, dying. It was chaos.
I know. I was there.
Father is trying all possible means to know what happened that day and to make sure it does not repeat itself again. Maybe we could just have a memorial service for the victims. Father could just make a statement and we observe moments of silence. Of course, I know it is not going to bring anyone back again. But at least it will make the families that are involved to know that we are doing something about it. What do you think? Brother. Brother. My prince. What is it? It seems you were not listening to me.
I'm okay. I'm just concerned about what happened at the festival.
We all are. Is everything okay? You seem a bit distracted.
I need some time to be alone. I have so much on my mind. I need to take a walk.
Look, Ugezu, I blame our Igwe for this tragedy. The chief priest warned him, but he will not listen. Now, look at where we are.
Okoro, I understand your frustration. But we cannot blame our Igwe completely. The festival had already been planned. And moreover, the vision of the chief priest was not clear enough.
Oh, clear enough, he said. But the chief priest told him there is danger and disaster looming in the horizon. He will not listen. You are telling me the vision is not clear enough.
I understand. You and I know that our Igwe is a stubborn man. He thought that the warning of the chief priest was a mere precaution.
Oh, he thought that the warning of the chief priest... Oh, whichever way you want to put it. Now tell me, what is the outcome? Our families are dying and there is danger in the land. The vision of the chief priest is not clear enough. It's all right. Wait till it becomes clear.
There is no point we continue getting angry over this. I think what we should understand now is that we cannot do anything over what happened. Rather, we can prevent the ones that will happen in the future. But the ones that has happened, we can't do anything. The most important thing we should do now is to stick together. As we stick together, we now console those ones that lost their loved ones. I mean the families that lost their loved ones. And because of the togetherness, we will now fight this evil, this particular evil in this land. Be it human or spirit, we'll be able to fight them, bring them down.
It's all right. What has happened has happened. If only our Igwe had heeded, we wouldn't have been in this situation we are right now.
I wish so, but let's continue being together and again find a way to heal our land. That is what's supposed to be our priority now. Not getting angry.
Look, in fact, I can't stay here.
Ozochi. Ozochi.
Izuna, come and sit. Don't be scared. Sit, my friend.
Ozochi, how have you been? How have you been faring?
I'm trying to be strong. This mysterious death is weighing heavily on my mind.
I can imagine. It is a tough period for us all. Tell me, how is your father, the king, handling it?
Father is trying to be strong as well. I feel so sorry for him. He's trying to find a solution, but it seems the more he's sick, the more elusive it becomes.
Izuna, I strongly believe in your father. The entire kingdom believes in your father. And this time as well would believe that soon he will find a solution to this crisis that we are facing. Ozochi. It seems to me like you want to say something. Go ahead.
Izuna, that day at the festival, I saw a maiden. I haven't set my eyes on her before in this kingdom. And I can't stop thinking about her. I don't know why.
A maiden? Ozochi, in a time like this in our kingdom, you, the prince, is talking about a maiden.
I know it sounds silly, my friend. I know. You won't understand that, I believe.
Ozochi, need I remind you who you are? You are the crown prince of this kingdom. And in a time like this, we all expect that you should be by your father's side, trying to look for a solution to the crisis we are facing in this kingdom. And you are here talking about a maiden. Ozochi, you can always find a maiden for yourself. You are the prince.
It's the matters of the heart, Izuna. You may not understand.
I would advise...
Say less.
Take it easy, my prince.
Enjoy the melody.
are indeed blessed by the gods with this gift. Sometimes I imagine the gods wanted to listen to music, and they gave birth to you. That is why you are the prince, gifted and blessed.
Immediately! How dare you walk past the princess of Umaka Kingdom without a proper introduction? Who are you and what are you doing in my land?
My name is Ochiri. I am from this kingdom. My parents are from this kingdom, but they are late. I've been away for a long time, but I just returned to this kingdom.
Take this warning into your miserable head. Never in your entire life walk past the princess without a proper introduction or greeting properly. Did you hear me? Now vanish from my presence. Now! Rubbish! Nonsense!
I am Ochiri, the spirit, last of my kind.
This is so tasty.
Thank you, Father.
You are the apple of my eyes.
Father, how is the Igwe handling all this misfortune going on in this kingdom? It must be taking a toll on him.
Yes, it is my daughter. The Igwe is a very strong man. And trust me, he will be able to bring those perpetrators who were responsible for this doom to book. And believe me, they must surely be dealt with.
What about the prince? How is he coping? I've been thinking about him. I know all this must be weighing heavily on him.
Yeah. When you see the prince, ask him yourself.
Okay, Father.
Let's eat.
Izuma, I am worried about the kingdom. So many people are dying, and we don't even know the cause.
My love, I understand your concern. But I am very sure
that we are going to get through this as always.
I am glad I have you. You always make me feel safe.
My love, I swear by the gods that I will always be by you.
All right. Zainab.
What is it?
I think it is time we told my brother about us.
My princess, it is a good idea. Yes. But I do not think this is the right time to let him know about us.
Why? Why not?
I mean, considering what our kingdom is going through, the crisis, he's carrying the burden on his shoulders. And by the way, I do not know how he's going to react. And I don't want us to be another burden to him.
You're right. I just wish we could be open with our love. I want people to know about us.
My love, are you aware that first, you are my leader and I am your subject? It is only love that has bound us together. Why won't I raise you and show you to the entire world? I cannot be ashamed of you. I will announce you to the entire world that you are mine, and I will proudly carry you on my shoulders anytime. I love you so much.
I love you too.
What brings you here?
I've been looking for you in the palace. I heard the flute, so I followed the sound. I came to see how you're doing.
I'm doing good. What about you?
I'm fine, thank you. You always sit by yourself. It seems you enjoy your own company.
Yes, I enjoy my own company. But sometimes my good friend, Isuna, do come to sit with me.
Okay. I would love to be one of those that keeps you company. I want to be your friend.
Somebody help! Somebody help! Somebody help! Somebody help! Somebody! My princess! My queen! My princess! What happened to her? Princess is there. I don't know what is wrong with her.
Princess!
What is...
My prince, I just got the news. What is it? What is it about the disease I am hearing about?
I don't know what it is. As of yesterday, my sister was fine. But now, I don't even know what to call it. The chief priest said that it's a spirit that has come to seek vengeance.
Vengeance? Vengeance for what?
Izuna, I am as confused as you are. Everything is so blurry. We don't even know whom we offended. At least to ask for forgiveness. How do we move on like this? How? And now, my sister is sick. And I can't watch her die.
Where is she?
The chief priest is finally here.
Greetings, Your Highness.
We are waiting.
The gods are still silent. There is no solution yet.
For how long are they going to be silent? Is it when we are all dead that they will speak to us? What is going on? My daughter is lying critically sick as we speak. And you are telling me the gods are still silent? What is going on? Why?
Your Highness, patience is what you need.
Have we not been patient enough?
I can cure the princess.
Who are you, please?
My name is Ochere. I can cure the princess, but on one condition.
Name it. Whatever condition you have, as long as you can cure the princess, you will have it.
I do not need much, my king. I want a hut in the palace, a home. I'm alone. I need a family.
Consider it done. As long as you are going to cure my daughter, you have a hut in the palace. It's as simple as that.
Igwe, I think it will be unwise to grant her provision of hut in this palace when we don't know what she's up to.
Oh no, please. Save me that argument. My daughter is the one who is sick. And whatever it takes for her to be healed, I am going to do it. God, take this maiden to the princess.
My king, the Onowu is right. I think the Onowu is right because we don't know who this maiden is and what her intentions are.
Igwe, I strongly oppose giving her hut in the palace. A stranger who we don't even know.
I want to ask us, who is the king?
You.
And I have already decided. She has a hut in the palace. As long as she can heal my daughter.
May I?
Go ahead.
What have you done to her? What have you done to her?
She will be fine.
Mother, she looks calm. I think she'll be fine.
Princess.
Princess!
What happened to me?
May the gods be praised. My princess!
He healed you.
May the gods of our land reward you. Thank you so much.
Thank
Princess!
you for healing my sister.
Mother!
You play beautifully well. And your music is enchanting.
You. I saw you the other day at the palace during the festival. Since then, I haven't been able to see you again until today.
Did you look for me?
No. I mean, why should I? But I must thank you for curing my sister. We were so worried about her sudden illness.
This place seems to be your favorite spot.
Yes. I do have some special connection each time I come here to play my flute. Though for a while I stopped having the connection. Ochiri. Tell me about yourself. Your family.
They are all dead. They died many centuries ago.
What? Many centuries? How is that possible?
I'm just joking. A long time ago.
Sorry about your family. Ochiri, I still want to know you. Tell me, how did you kill my sister?
You are moving too fast. Take it slow. I will tell you about me some other time. For now, can you play me something?
Anything to make you feel better.
Oh no,
Edokoro?
I don't understand why our Igwe will keep accepting people into the palace, especially this time around. The chief priest has warned him that a spirit or someone has come for vengeance. And for all we know, Ochiri might be that enemy.
I quite shared in your sentiments. And of course, you know our Igwe. He once sent us someone that killed his daughter and demanded only a shelter in return.
Although this is a trying time for our kingdom, and we must all be on guard. We shouldn't allow our emotions to becloud our sense of judgment.
I agree with you, Elder Okro.
Good.
But of course, you know our Igwe is a stubborn man. Once his mind is made up, you hardly convince him.
That is why I am telling you this. You are the only one the Igwe respects. He respects your value and your integrity. So do something about it, whatever it takes.
Okay. I will do as you have just said. But firstly, I will let him know the risk involved.
Whatever risk that is involved will take care of itself. Well, I've spoken my mind.
I am so glad to have you back. I was so scared that I was going to lose you. May the gods be praised.
You see. So.
You just look very beautiful.
First.
And I feel blessed to have you back. And back to life.
Izuna came to visit my brother, Prince Ozochi, and since my brother is sleeping, I decided to keep him company.
It's none of my business, whatever that is going on here.
Ochiri, I'm sorry, I've not had the chance to say a proper thank you for curing me.
There's no need. You don't need to thank me, princess.
I have never liked her. There is this negative energy that comes from her whenever I see her. I don't trust her.
Don't say that, Izuna. Ochiri is an orphan. She healed me. At least we should give her that benefit of doubt. Please.
I am blessed by the gods with a gift of thought. And I am never wrong. And it tells me that there is something very, very awkward about her.
Let's just forget about it.
Stay clear of my path, Izuna. Stop speaking ill of me to the prince, the princess, and the entire community. You have no idea what I've been through. My family was slaughtered 300 years ago. They were offered a sacrifice, and I was kept to die. But I survived. I survived!
I am not scared of you, Ocheri. I am going to tell the prince, the princess, and everyone who cares to know about your true identity. Yes, that was a terrible act. But it wasn't our king, King Ugezu, who committed that crime against your family. Then why should he bear the consequences?
Your forefather did. They did this evil to my son. They killed my entire family and they kept my body in the sacred earth as a vessel for their strength and protection. But I am freed. I am freed, Evia. I am free! And I promise that I am going to avenge my father's death on every single soul in this kingdom!
Like I said, I am not afraid of you. Then tell me, how old are you? You still look young.
They will pay. I am very merciful, because if I am not, I should have left your kingdom, killed me on your own. But no, I will kill one person from each home. One only day will I, Chinwe, the spirit, has peace. Yes, the sin was not committed by them, but it was committed by their forefathers. So blood must be spilled to avenge my family's death.
No! You seek justice, but the process you are taking is that of injustice.
No! It is not about justice. It is about vengeance on each and every family. As for you, Evia, I will not kill you now. No, I won't. But I will make sure that you forget everything we talk about. No!
What just happened? Why did I just stand still?
You play beautifully, Prince Ugezu.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Ochiri, I believe we've been friends for a while, and I should earn the right to know you better.
I am from the family of 6. My mother was a witch, and so is my 3 siblings.
A witch? What do you mean a witch?
She possesses spiritual powers, and so the 3 siblings. She uses her powers to kill and to heal the people. She was a good witch, and she taught us to be good as well.
What then happened to your mother? Tell me more.
They were killed.
I'm so sorry. Who killed them and why?
What is in your heart?
I have no idea. It's been cast down from the days of our ancestors. And we warned not to go inside or even open it.
So why are you always there if you were told or warned not to be there?
It makes me feel peace. Each time I play my flute, it makes me happy. Though for a while, I stopped having the connection.
Why anymore?
I don't know, but it's been my favorite sport.
Have you asked your father what is in that heart? I mean, are you not curious to know what is there?
Yes, I am. The last time I tried to enter the hut, it was as if there is a block stopping me from gaining my way. But I need to ask my father. Perhaps I'll seek answers. Choma, come. Choma. Ochiri.
Yes.
This is Choma, my good friend. Choma, meet Ochiri, my new friend.
Nice to meet you, Chama. Nice to meet you too, Ochiri.
Ochiri, come. Choma,
Yes.
I have a story to tell. Yes. Are you scared?
No.
You seem a bit nervous. Alright, let me continue my story. There was a man in a particular kingdom.
But Igwe, I must admonish you about Ochiri. We don't know who she is and what she is capable of. Maybe she might be the stranger that came for vengeance.
Oh no. The very day Oshiri came here, I made her a promise that if she could heal my daughter, I will give her a hut and give her protection in the palace. And I am not one of those kings who will say something and go back on their word.
But Igwe, we can't be too careful. We don't know what she is capable of doing. Maybe she might be the one that comes seeking for vengeance.
You have said this before, no, and I kept quiet. To the best of my knowledge, I have not done anything to anybody to warrant somebody coming to seek vengeance against me. If there is anything like that, the chief priest would have said it. Please.
Igwe, I am not asking you to throw her out entirely.
So what are you saying?
I am suggesting that an hut can be provided for her outside the palace. Maybe by that, we can be seeking for her until the evil is being unveiled, exposed, and dislodged.
There is sense in what you are saying. But I will think about it.
Dead was still with presence in the palace. You think you can undo the promises made to me?
Please, forgive me. I was just trying to protect the kingdom.
Protect the kingdom? You think you can protect the kingdom? They will pay for their sins. They will burn to ashes. See what you're not supposed to see. You are an obstacle between you and the truth.
What could have happened? Onowu was in my palace yesterday, and he was very heady. Now he is dead. His body found beside that of Shioma. There is something in it. There is something in it.
Igwe, they killed my daughter, my only child.
Ishiokoro, we are going to work together to find the truth. And whoever that is behind this must be brought to justice.
Exactly, Igwe. Because this is not normal. Whoever did this must pay for it.
We are going to work together, like I said. And we are going to get to the root of this. And ensure that such a thing never repeats itself in the history of this kingdom ever again.
Igwe, thank you.
Prince of Russia.
Chama. She was my friend. We're so close to each other. One of the few persons in this kingdom that didn't mind if I am a prince. She asked us to be friends. At first, I was skeptical about it. Getting to know her, I now realize that she's a good person. I knew she had feelings for me. I knew. But I couldn't return it. And now she's gone. She's gone.
It is well. Whoever caused our death will face justice.
Are you sure about this?
Yes. I do.
Thank you. Thank you, Ojiri.
I know. So just take that, okay?
Thank you.
My love, there is something off about Ochiri. I do not feel comfortable with her.
Don't say that, Izuna. Ochiri has been kind to me and Ozochi.
There is no doubt she has been kind to you and your brother and everyone else. But I am convinced beyond doubt that she's of no good. On my way home, she stopped me. She spoke to me. She told me something, but I am trying to remember, which I cannot.
My love, just forget about it. It's not important.
I really do want to remember.
I already know about you two. I've been waiting for you two to come out clean and tell me. I'll go room. So this is the man who stole your heart.
My prince, I am very sorry. I should have informed you about us, but I needed more time. And considering what the kingdom is going through, I did not want to become one more problem to you.
It's okay. Izuna, you're the right man to win my sister's heart, but don't break it.
My dear brother and friend, I promise and I swear by the gods that I will take care of her.
I trust you, Izuna. Enjoy your moment.
Ozochi, my prince, something has been bothering me. It is about Ochiri. I feel something is off about her. I advise that you should be careful.
It's okay, Izuna. I'll be fine.
Ozochi, you know me very well. That whenever I have this kind of feelings, I am always right.
I'll be fine, Izuna. Enjoy your moment. I'll be careful.
Izuna, have you seen what you have caused now? You have succeeded in chasing my brother away.
I am just looking out for a brother and a friend. I cannot afford to see him hurt. My lord, trust my judgment.
Ochiri.
Yes, my prince.
I would like you to show me some magic.
Okay.
This is great. How did you do that?
My secret.
Your secret?
Mm-hmm.
Wait. I would like you to show me more.
Last time.
This is amazing.
So are you satisfied or you still want more?
I'm satisfied.
You should.
Thank you.
Thank you too.
I've never seen magic before.
Really?
Yes.
Can you play me some flute, please?
This time I'll play you my favorite. Yes.
I can't wait.
Close your eyes.
You are incredibly talented. It's awesome.
I'm glad you like it.
I love it. The sound of your flute. It's utterly beautiful. You know, it woke me up from my centuries of sleep.
Century of sleep?
Let's just say, your music has a way of reaching beyond the veil of time.
Beyond the veil of time?
Let's just say it's poetry for the moment. Forget I said anything.
No,
okay?
no, please. I need to know. Tell me.
Can we just drop it? Huh? Did you ask your father about the Sacred Heart?
Yes, I asked my father about it.
What did he say?
He didn't give me any reasonable answer. He said his father warned him not to get close to the Sacred Heart, that it's a vessel of the strength and protection of the king and his people.
And he didn't tell you what is inside?
No, he didn't mention. He only wants my sister and I not to get close. What is it? Is everything all right?
Yes.
I mean, why are you so concerned about the Sacred Heart?
No, concerned? No, nothing. Anyways, I like the serenity of this place. So quiet.
Yes. And I'm glad I'm sharing this moment with you, Ocheri.
I am so glad too that I'm sharing this moment with you, Prince Ozo.
I enjoy spending time with you, Ocheri.
I enjoy spending time with you too.
I think I'm falling in love with you.
Sincerely, I am also falling in love with you.
Look, what could be wrong with the boy?
I don't know, let's see. Don't touch. You okay? Yes, thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Bridget, my friend.
Good day.
Greetings. You're amazing.
Let's just say you chat Isn't
Yes, my princess.
I told you were wrong about archery.
Yes, you said it. But my instincts have never failed me. There is something definitely off about her. But somehow she has found a way in everyone's heart. I can say.
Exactly. You are always quick to judge people. But this time, your judgment was wrong. Archery is a good person. She has been helping everyone in this kingdom.
My princess, you are right, and I am wrong. My apologies. Tori is actually a very good person, and I do admire her kindness.
Yes. Next time, you don't need to be quick to judgment. Especially, you don't just judge based on feelings or something. At least you need to know the person first. Get close to the person, study the person, know the person before you judge the person.
I have learnt my lessons, and next time I won't be quick to judge, like you rightly said.
I'm glad to hear that.
Thank you.
Enough about Ocho. Let's talk about ourselves. Tell me, what would you like to talk about?
Of course, you do know exactly what I would love to talk about, don't you?
Son, I must have to confide in you. The very first day Oshere came into this palace, demanding to be given a heart, my elders objected, especially the late Onowu. But I stood my ground. At a point, I was actually feeling if I had actually made a very nice decision.
You did the right thing, Father. If you had turned her down, we would have missed out on a great blessings.
You are right. Oshere has actually become a very big blessing to a lot of us. She has brought joy to a lot of people. They love and they praise her.
You did the right thing, Father. You're a good man.
So, tell me, Ozoshi, my son, what are your plans for her?
I love her, Father. And I want to make her my queen.
Interesting. And I give you my blessing. But first things first, we have to know everything about her family.
Yes, Father. I'll ask her. I'll ask her everything.
Even when we know that her parents are late, but I am sure she has some relatives, some family members that we can ask, and we can get information from them.
That's true, Father. I'll ask her.
So I need you to do that. I need to meet her family before we can get down to the marriage arrangements proper.
Thank you, Father. Thank you.
Greetings, Your Highness. Your Highness. Greetings. 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 Greet The person responsible for the atrocities happening in our land has been reviewed by the gods.
Interesting. So who is this person?
This person lives amongst us. She eats and dines with us, Your Highness.
This person is actually a she.
Yes.
Can you speak clearly as Alo say, who is this person?
Her name is Ochiri.
That's absurd. Ochiri has been nothing but help to us since she arrived in this kingdom. She even healed my own daughter of her sickness.
You are right, Your Majesty. Ochiri has been a blessing to this kingdom.
That's a tactics to gain access to the royal home, which she succeeded doing. She is the one responsible for everything. She caused the sickness in the first place, so that she can come and tell you that she can be able to heal her. She is responsible for everything, Your Highness.
Please, where is the proof you have to justify what you are saying?
Yes, Your Highness. I have a sacred sand which I will pour on the floor. If she steps on it, it will affect her. Then you will know that she's responsible for everything. But if it doesn't affect her, then she's innocent.
So what happens to my son?
Nothing. The sacred sand is not meant for the prince. It's meant for the person responsible for everything, the atrocities happening in our kingdom.
Well, Ochiri just stepped out with my son, the prince. We are going to wait for them to come back. I don't think we're in a hurry. Are we?
We are not in a hurry, Your Highness.
I told you! Your Highness!
Ochiri. What is it?
Responsible. Look at it. Your Highness, I told you she's the one responsible for all the deaths happening in this kingdom. She is the one.
Ochiri, please. Don't kill him, please. I know you're not a bad person. You must have had a reason for what you did, but please, don't kill him, please. Ochiri, please. Ochiri, please. Don't kill him, please. If you love me, please save his life. Please.
Father, please. You must hear out. Please.
Nothing to listen to. Ochiri killed my only child, and she must pay with her life.
Ishiokoro, I understand your anger and the pain. But we are not going to rely on what just happened here now to dismiss the good side of Ochiri. She has been a blessing to so many families. She brought healing to many of our members. Even my own daughter was healed by her. I think we need to hear her out. She has an explanation to give us.
What good and healing that she performed in this kingdom that will cover all the lives she took?
Oh, ask me.
How can we justify the death of our loved ones?
Egwuonwu, I am not saying we are going to justify her action. But you are going to agree with me that it is even part of the core rules of administration of justice as is concerned the ancestors. You cannot just kill somebody who has said nothing. Hear the other side, the rule of justice. It is on that note that I am saying we have to take this maiden back into the throne room and give her an opportunity to explain to us the meaning of all of this.
A long time ago, my family moved into this kingdom. My mother was a witch. So were my siblings and I. We tried to keep it a secret and live with the people. My father worked on people's farm to feed us. She taught us how to control our magic. And we lived peacefully. No one suspected. But then one day, a strange sickness swept through the kingdom. People were dying. Young, old, men and women. My father was desperate to help. So he approached the king, asking the king for permission if my mother could prepare a charm that would remove and chase away the sickness. And the king accepted. He promised my father a portion of land if the charm worked. And yes, it did work. He refused to give my father the portion of land. He became jealous with the elders, and they conspired against my father, invited us to the palace, poisoned our food and took us to the shrine, and the chief priest did a charm, a ritual that killed my parents plus my siblings, and they transferred the power to me, put me in coma, and kept me in a sacred altar as a vessel of protection to the kingdom. I was forced to live 300 years, the years that my parents and my siblings supposed to live. I was trapped in that hut, and the prince woke me up from my sleep. He would often come to the sacred altar to play his flute, and the melodies were beautiful. They awoke me from my sleep. And then I promised to take vengeance on this kingdom. And I promised to kill everyone from this kingdom and take their life. Yes, I took lives, the innocent one at that. I am sorry. I am deeply sorry. I know that I cannot bring them back. But I hope that you will find it in your heart to forgive me one day for every sin I have committed towards this kingdom. Please. Yes, the little boy I heard along the road changed my perspective. It taught me that there can still be good in this world, that I didn't have to be consumed by hate. And then the prince, I fell in love with him. I never thought I would. I'm sorry. I am deeply sorry. Please, forgive me.
You must die for what you did. You killed innocent people, and you want us to forgive you just like that?
I know I've wronged you all. I know. I am sorry, please. I beg for forgiveness.
Your problem was with the royal family. Why didn't you kill anyone from there?
When you make reference to the royal family, did you not hear when she mentioned that this happened more than 300 years ago? Something here is very complex and absolutely complicated. I am going to deliver my judgment soon. Not now. Guards! Take this maiden away. Do not try to do any nonsense again.
Father. Father, please.
Izuna, you were right all along. I never knew that Ochiri inflicted that sickness on me and then healed me. She used me as a bait to enter the palace.
I always knew my instinct were right. But somehow, she stole into everyone's heart in the entire kingdom.
I took her in, considered her a sister I never had. I even thought she was perfect for my brother.
I met her once, on my way home. We spoke, but I cannot remember what she told me. Ah, I do remember now.
What do you remember?
She warned me not to reveal her identity to you, the prince, the king, or anyone else. That if I did, I was going to pay for it. She also said some things that did not make sense to me.
What did she say?
She said her family was slaughtered 300 years ago.
Stop! What are you talking about?
What's what she told me? She said your father's ancestors slaughtered her family 200 years ago, and that her body is being kept in a sacred hut and is being used as a vessel for strength and power for the kingdom. And that somehow she managed to escape.
What secret hut are you talking about? Is it the one in the palace?
My princess, I have no idea.
My father warned us several times not to get to that hut. He said it was there even before his father became the king. That means she is... How old?
You can imagine, my princess.
I need to hear more about this story. Yes, it's becoming interesting.
Ozochi, I am so sorry. I'm sorry for everything. I am sorry I didn't tell you who I was or my mission in this kingdom. I'm sorry for breaking your heart. Please, forgive me.
Oh, Cherry, I'm not going to lie. You did break my heart. How could you, Uchiri? How could you be so wicked? You killed my best friend, Choma.
You were the one consoling me, telling me that the culprit would be brought to justice. But it was you. It was you who killed her. Why? How could you be so wicked? Why?
I am sorry. I didn't mean to kill Joma. She saw me while I was killing alone. And I also saw her as a rival, so I had to take her life. I'm sorry. I wish it was now. I would never have done that. That was when I was in the dark. Please. Please don't do this to me, please. Please.
No.
I'm sorry.
You're not sorry. You are not truly sorry, Ochire. You are only sorry you got caught. You don't need to beg me for forgiveness. Go to Choma's family and beg for forgiveness. And to everyone's family you killed. But for us, I'm not sure things can be the way it used to be.
Sochi.
I'm sorry.
Please go. Please don't do this to me. Please. Sochi!
Igwe, are you still worried about Ochire's case? Eh?
I am finding it very difficult to decide. I am that king who is known to always be swift in judgment. But I don't know why now it appears as if I am confused.
Igwe, you cannot be confused. This is a very clear judgment. Send her away out of this kingdom.
I know, my wife, but the issue here...
Igwe, there is no issue here. Ochire inflicted our daughter with a disease. She cured her, yes, but she used it to enter into this kingdom. You cannot allow it to happen again. Send her...
I know, but my wife, there is no way you are going to dismiss the fact that Ochire has been very helpful to us in this kingdom. She has been helping to cure a lot of sicknesses, even sicknesses that were very complex before. There are people who knew nothing about. She has managed to cure and provide solutions for them. We cannot take this away from her.
Igwe, I understand. I am the queen of this kingdom. I have the right to help you to decide on something. See, I don't want this girl to stay in this kingdom. I cannot compromise the safety of my children with anything. Send her away.
I know exactly what you are saying, my wife. But those who are alive, they need to stay alive. You know what this means? Ochire that we are talking about, it is now established that she has become a changed person. Is it not better for us to keep her as a friend than make her understand we now see her as an enemy?
Igwe, I'm with you, but please.
You know what? I need you to trust me.
I don't want to see her around my children, please.
Trust me on this. I am going to make right judgment. Trust me.
Igwe, we will live forever.
People always say that they know me as that king who will always give good judgment. And I've equally tried on my own to always be just in all the judgments I present. But what I'm about to say now may not go down well with some people. But honestly, it is something that is well thought out. There is no doubt that Oshiri here has caused a lot of harms to us as a people. Ishi Okoro, I apologize over the death of your child. And all of us are pained over the death of the Ugezu. But we need to understand something. From what we have seen, Oshiri here, even when she is with the curse, shows to be a blessing to many families in our land. Families that can testify of her good works in healing some of their members who were sick. It is based on that I have forgiven her. I forgive her because she has changed. She said that she has changed, and I have seen traces of that change. I know it, that she is no longer going to be what she used to be. Now, from now going forward, she is going to assist us, be a support system that will see to the development of our land. I am going to allow her to continue to live in the palace. This is because I want to keep her close, to give me the chance to monitor her closely and monitor her activities every step of the way.
Thank you, Igwe. I promise to use my powers to the betterment of this kingdom.
Igwe, thank you so much. I believe you have made the right call. The truth is, the dead are dead. But what we need to do now is to find a way to make the lives of the living livable.
Ochiri, you are going to pay with your life for killing my only child. And you, Igwe, you are very weak. And I know you are doing this because of your son, who is in love with this murderess.
Ishi Okoro,
Don't touch me and keep quiet.
I understand. I understand you are angry. Like I said already, I apologize over the death of your child. But I need you to know something. What I have done, I have not done it because of my son. I looked into the big picture, considering what we need as a people. What I have done in the overall interest of this land. I want you to understand it as that. Because, please.
Igwe Ojukwu thinks he can just forgive her. Forget about what she did. My only child taken away from me by that monster. She must pay for this. I will not stop until I see her dead. Yes, she must pay for this purpose.
You said you will make a right decision. This is not what I expected, Igwe.
My dear, I need you to understand.
Understand what? What do you want me to understand here, Igwe? You have forgiven her. Fine. But must she live in this palace? Must she?
Listen, I want to keep her close. Close to me so I will be able to watch her, monitor her every step of the way.
I don't like that idea. Yes.
My dear.
See, Igwe, I don't want to see that girl anywhere around our children.
I understand what you're saying, but at least you should...
No! I said no! She can go and live somewhere else, not in this palace.
What has come over her? very simple thing. Why can't you understand it?
The great apathy. You said I should not look for anybody's trouble. And if anybody looks for my trouble, I should come and report to you. Great apathy, I am here to report Ochiri to you. She has killed my only child. And I want you to take her life the same way she took my only child's life. I have brought this token as a sacrifice. Please don't disappoint me. Grace apathy, please fulfill your promises.
We need to talk, please. Please, Ozochi. I know I have hurt you. I know what I did was terrible. It was a mistake. And I promise I will not do it again. I am begging you. I'm sorry. I know I don't deserve it. But please forgive me, boy. Please, I'm sorry, please.
Oh, Jerry. I bear no grudge against you. I just need time. Time to process everything that happened. And even then, I cannot guarantee you if things can go back to the way they used to be.
Please, 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 please. Princess, I am here to apologize for everything that I've done to you. Everything I've made you go through. The suffering, the pain, the ailment. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to inflict you with that ailment. Please, can you find it in your heart to forgive me, my princess, please? I'm sorry. I am deeply sorry, please. Please. It's alright. I have forgiven you. Are you sure? And Isuna, I have also offended you. And I'm apologizing. Please, can you find it in your heart to forgive me? I made you lost your memory the day we met on the road and we had a long conversation. I took away your memory. Please. Forgive me. I am sorry.
Ochiri!
Your Majesty.
Stay away from my children. I am warning you for the last time. Stay away from them.
I'm sorry, Your Majesty. I didn't mean to cause you any harm or your family. Please, forgive me of everything that I've done.
Excuse me, I don't want to talk. Since my husband, the Igwe, said you should remain in the palace. But let me tell you, please and please, maintain your space. Respect my wishes. Avoid my family and I. Do you get that?
Yes, Your Majesty. I'm sorry, Your Majesty. Please forgive me.
You have not done anything wrong to me yet. Just go and thank the gods that my daughter, the princess, is still alive. If anything had happened to her,
Also, my son. Father, from now going forward, I want you to stay very far away from Oshiri. I am still keeping her in this palace because some of our people need her services. Stop seeing her as the one you are going to make your wife. Not anymore.
Father, I don't know what to feel. I am caught between my love for her and what she did to Choma. I feel like I'll betray Choma if I make Uchiri my queen.
I had always known you are a great son. I am very proud of you. And I knew it, that you are going to be that king who will rule with wisdom and great judgment. Thank you for your understanding. I appreciate it.
Thank you, Father.
Ozoshi, what is it? Ozoshi, what are you doing? Fire! Call the chief priest immediately. Call the chief.
This is a great tragedy. And the spirit is telling me who is behind the death of your son. It is just all about vengeance. Someone has sought revenge against your family, Your Majesty.
There is no doubt in my spirit that Ichi Okoro is the one behind this. He has been looking for ways to take vengeance against my family. God,
Your Majesty.
go to Ichi Okoro's house and fetch him for me immediately.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Ichi Okoro. Ichi Okoro. Ichi Okoro. He's not responding. Ichi Okoro. Hey! Ichi Okoro is dead. Ichi Okoro is dead.
Your Majesty,
Ichiokoro is dead already.
What?
Your Highness, your actions and decisions was good, but it has led to the death of your son. I am sorry about that, Your Majesty.
Igwe, Her Majesty, I am sorry for my actions. I never wished for Prince's death. I had protected him with charms. I never knew Eda Okoro would give his life just to hurt the palace. I'm sorry. I wish I could change the hands of time. I wish I could do anything. I would have done that to save the prince. But I couldn't.
So you killed him?
I didn't. You wicked woman! You killed my brother! You killed him! What will you do with this dead body? Are you going to eat it? Let's go and eat it! You are evil! You're wicked! As long as you live, may you never know peace! I think I need to leave the palace. I don't want to cause more harm. Please excuse me if Ozochi.
You are the cause of our grief. Yes. If only you had chased her out of the kingdom the moment you realized she was the problem.
I don't know why you are saying this. I did what I did thinking it was the best for our land. Please.
The archery in question has run away at the sight of our first predicament, leaving us to mourn our son all alone, Igwe.
Can I please be left alone?
Yes.
I want to have the chance to mourn my child.
Mourn your child.
What happened has happened. Our son is dead, and there is nothing we are going to do that will bring him back. Please.
You made a very big mistake. You made a very big mistake, Igwe.
And that is why I am saying that I am sorry. I am sorry. I should have chased her away a long time ago.
Sorry cannot bring back my son. We have lost everything. We have lost everything,
Please,
my friend.
Please. Please.
Hi.
Egwuonwu, I am convinced you will be able to take my words back to our people. That you are the only one who is here with me does not mean you are the only one. There are other elders, and I need you to take my specific words to them. Let them understand that despite the fact we lost people, Some of them promising young men of our land who had promising future and their life got cut short. It does not mean that we have lost our culture. It does not mean that we have lost our minds. It does not mean that we can no longer move on as a people. I want you to assure our people that we can reinvent ourselves and move on. It is going to be difficult, I agree, but I am the king, and I promise that I will provide the leadership that is required for us to move ahead. Ugezu, I need you to assure our people that that which lies ahead is superior to whatever we have seen. We are going to come out of this better. This is my word of assurance, and I'm going to see it through.
Igwe.